Hello.
Jambo Bwana.
Hi.
Hamjambo?
Hamjambo.
Nzuri sana.
Habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Okay. So, tell me, did you have an opportunity to show your mom or your friends the new words, the words from Kiswahili that you learned?
Yeah.
Caitlin said she sang the song at home.
Oh, really?
I was singing it like once.
Oh, that was great. So, what did they say?
They're like, what are you singing?
One person.
Yes.
Go ahead.
They're just like, what are you singing? And I'm like, didn't know what it was. Yeah.
Okay, that was great. Okay, right now let's try to remember the words we had in the last class. Okay, so who wants to tell me what is this?
Shati.
Good. Okay, if you know it, just raise up your hand. Okay. What is a bicycle? Cody?
Kelly.
Baskeli. Very good. And what is a book?
Jared.
Buku.
Buku. Very good. Very good. And what is a refrigerator?
Rachel.
Frigi.
Frigi. Very good. Okay. Now what I want you to do is we didn't have this word, but I want you to make a guess. So what do you think, how do we call school? We didn't have this word.
Anybody have a guess?
How do we call a school?
Who wants to guess? Cody?
Schoolie.
Very good. A big clap for him.
Hey!
Yes, exactly. We call it schoolie. Okay?
Hey, Abdul. I have a visitor for you. You want to say hi? Go to the middle.
Okay.
Put it on the sky. Put it on the sky.
Come on, Cam. I'm not.
He said,
Zoom it. Do you remember? Say something to him.
What's going on?
Oh, that's Eric.
Eric.
Right!
Oh, Ujambo.
Yumbo. I forgot.
Oh, he got it. I think he got it. Abdul, go ahead.
Yeah, I think let's sing the song for him, the Jambo song, so that he can remember. Okay, all of you, let's sing the song for Eric.
You'll remember. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jumbo. Jumbo.
Once more.
Very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jumbo. Jumbo.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Eric, for coming.
Well,
Okay.
Say hi to the other students, okay?
okay.
Thanks.
Thanks, Eric.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Lifke.
You're welcome. He wanted to come say hi to you when I told him that you were still teaching the class.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so the word for a school is just schoolie. Okay? Schoolie, that's the word. And so who can tell me who can give me the can you give me the spelling in Swahili? Who can try to give me a spelling for schoolie?
Rachel. Rachel?
S. S-K-O-L-O-O-L-I.
Very close. Very close. It's a S-K-U-L-I. Okay? That's the word for school. School. Okay? Like saying school and then schooling. Schooling. Okay? All right. Now, that brings us to to our topic today, which I'm going to cover. We are going to talk about the education system in my country, and later I will teach you the numbers. Okay, but I'll start by telling you the education system in my country. Now, where I come from, the education system is that we have like 10 years compulsory. So we go to school for 10 years, and the school age is 6 years. So we start school when we are 6 years, and we go for 10 years. And the schools in my country, they are free. So education is free. We don't pay for the primary education, and we don't pay for the secondary education. We only pay when we go to university. And when I went to university like 10 years ago, I didn't pay anything. But now the government has introduced a new system where they pay. So so we have 10 years of necessary education. And in my country, in the primary school, the kids will wear a uniform. All right? Now look at that picture. Those are typical young girls, probably age maybe 8, maybe 10 or 13. All right? Most likely they are in class 4 or 5. We call them class. All right? It's class 1, class 2, up to class 10. That's how we call it. So the kids that you can see, those young girls, they are, it's not a very good photo though, but I think you can see at the top, because they are girls, normally Zanzibar is a Muslim country, so normally girls will be covering their head, so that will be part of their uniform, and they will wear a skirt. It's very difficult for you to see it clearly, but they have a skirt. So the girls will wear a skirt, and they will be covering their head like that. But these are typical girls. I called them when they were coming back from school. And I will also show you a picture of a school. It's a little bit dark, but I think you'll get an idea. That's typically a school. It's a little, so you can see those kids, those are going to school, and a little bit far you could see there's some buildings. Okay, so that's typically what the school look like in Zanzibar. That's a primary school. Okay, and normally we don't have school buses, particularly in the public schools. The only place where you can find the school buses is if you study in a private school, then normally the school will have a bus. But normally in the public school, they don't have a bus. And in other places, for example, in the rural areas, the kids will have to walk maybe 3-4 miles to school. All right, and they don't have there's no school bus, so they will have to walk all days. When I was in class 1, I used to walk the same distance every day to go to school. It was like 3 miles from where I live, and that was it. So the best thing you need to know about my country is that the students will wear a uniform, okay, and the compulsory time is 10 years. After 10 years, after you've completed the 10 years, then you can go to secondary school, we call it, for 4 years, okay? You go to 4 years, and then you can go up to university. And the medium of instruction, I mean the language that we use in school, in the primary school from class 1 up to class 5, we use Kiswahili, the language that I'm teaching you. That's the language we use in the primary school for 5 years. So all the subjects will be taught in Swahili. So if the kids will learn like geography, it will be in Swahili. Science, it will be in Swahili. Everything will be in Swahili. Okay? But when you go to the secondary school, if after class 8, then the language, the medium of instruction will be English. So everything then will be taught in English. But in the primary school, it is Swahili, and English is taught as a subject. Okay? All right. Now, is there any question concerning the education system in my country?
Abdul, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
What time in the morning do you start school, and what time do you get out? And do you go all year, or is it broken up?
Okay. Most of the schools in my country, they have 2 sessions. There's a morning session, and there is an afternoon session. So a morning session will start from 7 in the morning, and it will go up to 1. And then from 1:30 up to like 6, that will be an afternoon session. So they will have 2 sessions. So those 2 sessions will go into the same school. So for example, class 1 up to class 7 will go in the morning session. Class 8 up to class 10 or 11, they will go in the afternoon. And they will be changing. Sometimes they will change. After maybe 2 or 3 months, they will change. So those who came in the morning, they will go to in the afternoon, and it will be like that. And we have some breaks. For example, right now in my country, the whole December is the students are in holidays. They don't go to school. And they also when we have the month where Muslims fast, we call it a month of Ramadan. Normally the schools will also be closed. There will be no school, so all kids will not go to school. But this is only for public schools. Private schools are different. Private schools, they have for example, my own kids, they go in the private school. Right now they are in vacation, but early in January they will go back to school, and they won't just have some few breaks, like 2 or 3 weeks, just that. They won't have much breaks in the private school, but in the public schools, you have like 3 or 4 breaks. Yep.
Do they go in the summer where, I mean...
Yeah, it doesn't matter, I mean, whether it is summer or it is... Because we don't have the weather in my country, it never gets cold. I think the coldest will be 60, yeah, or 70, because we use centigrade, so it's like 22. That will be the coldest.
So there's no farming season where the kids would need to stay at
No.
home to help harvest?
No. It's only when we depend on cloves. My country depends on cloves as for export. So if there's a bumper crop, for example, there's a lot of cloves to be harvested, then the government will decide to close the schools so that the kids can go to cultivate to harvest the cloves. But otherwise, it doesn't matter whether it is the period of farming. The school will still be on.
So cloves, you're saying
Yes,
C-L-O-V-E-S.
yes, cloves.
Oh, okay.
This is it's a type of spice. I'm told that we don't use it. I'm told that it is used in a toothpaste.
Okay.
Yeah,
we put it in hams.
Yes.
sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. That's it. So that's the we have a lot of them back home. Okay. Is there any other question?
Anybody? Taylor? You can stand up. Go ahead and stand up. It'll be easier for me.
Does the teacher teach both sessions a day, or do they switch with each other or something?
Yeah, they do switch. They switch. It's not like the teacher will stay there for the whole day. So the teacher will be teaching in the morning session, won't be there in the afternoon. Yeah.
Good question. Jared?
Does one teacher teach all the classes, or do they have separate teachers for separate classes?
Oh,
Like subjects?
yes, a good question. Every subject will have a different teacher. It's not like here when you have like a class teacher who can teach all the subjects. Back home, you only teach, one teacher will be teaching one subject. So you will have a math teacher, an English teacher, a geography teacher, just like that. So every subject will be taught by a different teacher. Okay?
Good question. Anybody else? Darby?
Do you have passing periods?
Say it again?
Do you have passing period, like time in between your class to go to your wherever you go? Do you have lockers?
Oh, they don't have lockers, I mean, to put their bags?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yes.
They don't want to have lockers. They don't have a place to put their, so everyone will have his things in his bag. They don't have lockers. And sorry.
I was just going to say with the passing periods, I think he was getting at,
Right.
do the students stay in one classroom, or do they,
Oh.
for their math class, go to
Okay.
one class and then...
Oh, thank you. They will stay in the one class. So the teacher is the one who will come to the class. So, and then there will also be a break after like having 4 classes. There will be a break for about 45 minutes. People will go, I mean, kids will go outside and get something to eat, just like that. So there will be people around the school selling, like food and whatever, I mean, cookies. Someone will be outside selling, and then the kids will go and buy. So there will be also a time for break.
Any other questions?
How about sports? Are there sports opportunities?
Yes, there are the sports opportunity, and the main sports we have in my country is what you call in this country soccer, but we call it football. That's the main sport, soccer. So normally most of the schools will have a big playground where kids will play soccer, and so soccer, and girls will normally play, we call it netball. It looks like a basketball, but it's for girls. All right. Normally in my country, the girls won't play soccer. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so that was all about school. And if you have any other question, you can just give it to Mr. Lipke, and then maybe he will email me, and I will reply your question. Okay? All right. Now, today we are going to learn numbers. How to count in Swahili. 1 to 10. Okay. Right. So, the first one, moja. Okay? Moja. All of you.
Okay, start again. 1, 2, 3.
Again? Okay. So that is moja.
Why don't you guys maybe use one block for 2 numbers, you know what it means? I don't know if I have enough sheets.
Okay? Okay, let's do it again. All of you. Moja. Moja. Okay. Okay, so that is 1. Okay? 2. Mbili. All of you. Mbili.
Billy.
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 Okay.
On the real spelling too.
Oh, sorry. Okay? All of you, Billy.
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 Moja.
Moya.
Billy.
Billy.
Okay. Right. 3. Tattoo. The other class told me that it looks like tattoo. Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Okay. Uh-huh. All of you, tattoo.
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 Moja.
Moya.
Billy.
Billy.
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Very good. Right. Nne. Nne. Not ne. Nne. Right. Nne. Uh-huh. All of you, nne. Moja.
Moya.
Billy.
Billy.
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Nne. Okay, I need someone to count up to 4. Uh-huh.
Rachel. Go ahead and stand up if you would.
Moja, Billy, Tattoo, and Ne.
Thank you. Good. Yes, can we have someone else?
Josh?
Moja, Billy, Tattoo, and Ne.
Very good. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Then we have Tano. Tano. Now I want someone to give me the spelling. Uh-huh. Cody?
THA -O. TANO.
Tano. Very good. Thank you. TA. Good job. Tano. That was very good. So someone gives you a Swahili word, you can now write it down. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so tano. Tano. Moja.
Moya.
Billy.
mbili,
tatu,
tatu,
nne,
nne,
tano.
tano.
Good. Okay. All right. I need someone else to say number 6 is sita. Sita.
Sita.
Who can try to give me a spelling? The Swahili spelling.
Karen?
S-E-T-A.
S-I-T-A. Good job. All right. S-I-T-A.
I'm zooming.
Okay. So, all of you, sita.
Sita.
I need someone to count 1 to 4.
Samantha? No, too close. Wait, go ahead and zoom out Sam to it. No. Okay. Go ahead.
Moya, Billy, Tatu, Nne.
Good. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne. Thank you. Right. So, sorry. 5. Saba.
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 All right. Who wants to give me a spelling?
Rachel?
S-A-B-A.
Very good. Good job. Thank you. Yeah, it's Saba. Okay? Saba, all of you. Oh, you're still writing?
Saba.
Okay. Again, Saba.
Saba.
Moja,
Moja.
mbili,
Mbili.
tatu,
Tatu.
nne,
Nne.
tano,
Tano.
sita,
Sita.
saba.
Saba.
Good. And 8 is nane.
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 Who wants to try to give me the spelling?
Samantha?
Samantha?
N-A-N-E-H.
Say it again.
N-A-N-E-H.
N-A-N-E. Good job. Nane. Okay? Nane.
Do it again.
Nane.
Ane.
Nane.
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 Good. All right. Tisa.
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 Who wants to try to give me the spelling of Tisa?
Darby?
T-E-S-A.
Very close. Good job. It's T-I-S-A.
You notice the I's sound like our E's.
And the E sounds like A's.
It's like Tina.
Oh, they know how to count to 10.
Okay? All of you, tisa. Tisa. Good. And the last one is kumi. Kumi. Who wants to try the spelling?
Cameron?
C-O-M-E.
It's very close, but it doesn't start with C. Kumi.
Cody?
Cody?
K-U-M-I.
Very good. Very good. Good job. Okay, it's K-U-M-I.
Good job, Cody.
Okay, so all of you, kumi. Kumi. Okay, moja. Mbili. Tatu. Nne. Tano. Sita. Saba. Nane. Tisa. Kumi. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I will show you a card with a number, and you tell me what number is that. All of you. Okay? All right.
Billy.
Sita. Saba. Nane. Tisa. Kumi.
Okay, well done. All right. Now, what I want you to do now is in pairs. One of you hide your notes, and the other one ask the other one, what is 1, 2, like that. Okay. First of all, you can try to practice together. I mean, with your notes on, and then try to hide. One of you try to hide your notes. Okay. All right. Then I'll give you 3 minutes.
What is? What is that?
Nani.
Okay. Okay. Now, so I need some pairs to practice. Who wants to try? Who will be the first? So one of you in the pairs. So all of you won't have your notes. So you will stand up and then ask each other in English. Okay? So who will ask one, and then the person will say moja, like that. Okay. Who wants to try that?
Come on.
Not all the numbers. Could be 2 of them or
Okay, right here. Let's stand up for him though.
Okay.
She's going to give you the.
2. Neely. 10. Kumi. 4. No.
Right. Then you do the other side.
1. Moya. Top.
Give her another one.
3. Tattoo. 8. None.
Very good.
All right.
Thank you.
Very good. Get your heads up.
Uh-huh.
Ethan.
Well,
Come on. Somebody else. Okay. Macy and Hannah.
It'll help if the students speak up just a little bit.
Okay. Louder.
4. Nine. 5. Anna. 6.
Yeah, be louder.
Sita.
Okay, switch it.
1. Moja. 3. Really? Tattoo. 2. Really? Yes.
All right. Very good.
thank you. All right. Okay, now, what I want to do, I want to teach you a song which goes together with number. Okay? I'm going to teach you a song that goes together with number. All right, now listen to the song first. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. All right. Okay, let's do the first part. All of you, moja, mbili, tatu.
Moja, mbili, tatu.
Moja, mbili, tatu.
Moja, mbili, tatu.
Nne, tano.
Nne, tano.
Nne, tano.
Nne, tano.
Moja, mbili, tatu. Nne, tano.
Moja, mbili, tatu. Nne, tano.
Sita, saba, nane.
Sita, saba, nane.
Sita, saba, nane.
Sita, saba, nane.
Tisa, kumi.
Tisa, kumi.
Moja, mbili, tatu.
Moja, mbili, tatu.
Nne, tano.
Nne, tano.
Sita, saba, nane.
Sita, saba, nane.
Tisa, kumi.
Tisa, kumi.
Okay, I'm gonna sing it the whole song, and then it will be you who will be singing the whole song. Okay? Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. All right. Now it's you.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
Moja, mbili, tatu. Nne, tano. Sita, saba, nane. Tisa, kumi.
Very good.
Good. Once more.
1, 2, 3, go.
Moja, mbili, tatu. Nne, tano. Sita, saba, nane. Tisa, kumi.
Good. Now what I want you to do now is to close your eyes and sing the song. Close your eyes, all of you. I can see you.
That's great.
All right, close your eyes and sing the song.
Just try.
Just
One.
try.
Want to sing it out loud?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you were singing very good at the beginning. All right. Okay, let's do it again. Now, all of you close your eyes, and I will sing the song for you, and then you will sing. You'll sing on your own, okay? So close your eyes. I'm gonna sing it for you first. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Now it's you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi.
Very good, Grace.
Good. Thank you. A big clap for all of you. Good job. Okay. All right. Now, again, what I want you to do now, I'm going to show you the numbers, and all of you hide your notes.
Abdul, I just want to let you know, though, our bell is going to ring to change classes in 4 minutes, okay? Just so you know.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can just do this up until the bell rings, or?
So we can
Right.
do it up to the bell.
Yes, that would be fine.
Okay. Right.
Can all of you see the numbers when he just holds them, or do you need me to put them on the document
You
camera?
can see the numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right. Now I want someone to stand up first, and then I will show the number.
Okay, Rachel?
Saba.
Saba. Good. Someone else? Thank you.
That's not how you do it. Okay, Sam? Samantha?
I don't know my number.
Tattoo.
Very good. Tattoo. Thank you. Someone else?
Erica, why don't you try?
Me. Sita?
Sita. Thank you. Right. Now I want someone to count the odd numbers.
One.
The odd numbers?
Oh, the odd numbers?
Yes. The odd numbers. Yes.
Okay.
Who can try to count all of them?
Samantha's going to try.
Oh, good. Good, Samantha.
Moya, Tattoo, Tano, Sana,
Saba.
Saba.
Good. And Tisa, thank you.
Very good.
Yes, clap for her.
Good.
Okay, who wants to try to count the even numbers?
Rachel?
Umbili, Nne, Sita, Nane, and Kumi.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay, now before the bell rings, so that's the numbers in Swahili. Do you have any questions?
Any questions, everybody? No questions.
No questions? Okay, now let's sing the number song.
Sit down, real quick. Go ahead.
That's the number song for the last time, okay? All of you. Oh, let's do it again.
All right, let me start you out.
Oh,
Okay.
Adam Scott in Elaine Parish. Please report to the office.
1, 2, 3, go.
Moya, Bili, Tattoo, Tano,
thank you. Okay, asante.
Sunday. Thank you, Abdul.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Luki.